Good morning, children. Now onwards, we will use this book, this Connect with Science, physics, on which this jet plane is being used. Okay, this is also the same edition of that Connect with Science, that green book. Now onwards, we will learn from this book, because this is the new version of the old book. Okay, so today we are going to start the new concept, that is area. Okay, now area. Now what is area? Area is the amount of surface covered by a closed shape. Okay, the amount of surface covered by a closed shape is called as an area. Okay, then also you know that the area, the SI unit of area is, in MKS SI system of unit of measurement is standard international units, and MKS means meter, kilogram and seconds. It is meter square. Okay, so the SI unit of area is square meter or meter square. Small areas such as the piece of paper or small squares or small pieces, they are calculated in centimeter square. Okay, and large areas such as the area of the country, area of the field, okay, they are calculated in kilometer square or hectare. And this hectare is same as the hectometer which we use in the metric measurement chart. Okay, now we will set up all the relationship between the SI unit of the meter square, okay, SI unit of meter square with the other big units also and the small units of area also. Means centimeter square and meter square, okay, kilometer square and meter square, and hectare, which is called as hectometer in metric measurement chart, that, and meter square also. So one by one children, we are going to set up the relationship. So for that we are again going to learn about the metric measurement chart. Okay. Yes children, now again we are going to revise in order to see the relationship between the SI unit of meter square and small units and the bigger units of area. We are again back to the metric measurement chart. That day I have explained it to you in that video, that what is a metric measurement chart. Again, basic units like meter, gram and liter, they are placed in the metric measurement chart just in the between. Then the bigger units are placed to the left, and smaller units are placed to the left. Okay, so bigger units are placed to the left of our left hand side is the left hand side of the metric measurement chart, and our right hand side is the right hand side of the metric measurement chart. So the small units are to the right hand side and bigger units are to the left hand side. Okay, like that we move multiply by 10 to each move, and like that we move divided by 10 to each move. Okay, so now as we have to convert, so for bigger units are kilo. I have in 4th and 5th standard I have explained this metric measurement chart by understanding these vowels which are at the end of that prefixes. Okay, so you can see that kilo, hecto, deca, these are the big units, and their ends are O and A. Okay, so these are the bigger units, and these are with I as a vowel. Small units are deci, centi and milli. Okay, so like that you can understand the metric measurement chart. Okay, I is having the smaller units and O and A is having the bigger units. Okay, so we have to prove that 1 centimeter square is equal to 0.0001 meter square. Okay, so you know that 1 centimeter, okay, 1 centimeter is equal to how much, how many meters? Okay, divide by 10 into 10 means 100 meter. Okay, so we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. From centi how many moves? 1 and 2 till meters. Okay, so 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So 1 centimeter square, we can write using the powers and roots as 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Okay, these are the relations on page number 15, new book. Okay, so and this can be again written as 1 upon 100 into 1 upon 100, as according to the metric measurement chart 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meters. Okay, then again it is written as 1 upon 1 2 3 4. Okay, so it is 10,000, means the decimal point will come after 4 digits, 1 2 3 4, and now this will be converted into meter square. So these relations we have set up, that 1 centimeter square is equal to 0.0001 meter square. Okay, so 1 centimeter square is equal to 0.001 meter square. Now relation 2 we are going to set with the bigger units of area, that is 1 kilometer square is equal to 1 million meter square in international place value system, or 10 lakh meter square in Indian place value system. Now this relationship we are going to set up. Okay, now you know, see the comparison between where is kilo and where is meter. Okay, so how many moves? Multiply by 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, so multiply by 1000. Okay, so 1 kilometer square, 1 kilometer is equal to, we have the relation 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay, we have, because 10 1 into 10 into 10, so therefore we are moving towards the right, okay, of the metric measurement chart, so it will be multiplied. Okay, so according to the powers and roots, again we can write 1 kilometer square is equal to 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer. Okay, and according to the metric measurement chart 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, so it will be 1000 into 1000 meter square. Okay, and this 1000 into 1000 means 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 4 5 6. Okay, so this is in international place value system is 1 million meter square, and in Indian place value system it is 10 lakh meter square. Okay, so you can see ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 and 1 million. And according to Indian place value system, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, so 10 lakh meter square according to the Indian, and this according to the Indian place value system. Now the second relationship we will set up of hectare and meter square. Now you know that here this is hectare is the biggest unit of biggest unit of area. Okay, where area of the field, area of the state, area of the country can be calculated with this hectare. This hectare is nothing but the hectometer which is used in the metric measurement chart. Okay, so what is the placement of this hectometer with the meter square? Okay, meter square, that we will see. Okay, so 1 hectare is equal to 1 hectare is equal to 1 hectare into 1 hectare. 1 hectare into 1 hectare is equal to 1 hectare. Okay, and what is the relationship between hectometer and meter? Okay, so multiply by 10 means multiply by 100, means 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meters. because 2 moves we are moving to the right. Okay, from kilo to hecto and hecto to from hecto to deca, sorry, from hecto to deca and deca to meter, 2 moves. Okay, so multiply by 10 and multiply by 10. Okay, so 2 moves means multiply by 100. Okay, so 1 hectare is equal to 100 meter multiply by 100 meter. Okay, and this will be equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay, and meter square. Okay, so according to the Indian place value system only, it is 10,000 meter square. So 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. These are all the relationships we have to set up, children, and any of the relationships can be asked for the exam.